If you're serious about passing CMA Part 2 on your first attempt, you need more than just notes. You need a complete mastery system. The CMA Part 2 Study Guide 2026 by Zain Academy is designed to transform you from a candidate into a confident, exam-ready professional. With 796 questioning mind study points, 1,125 true-false questions, 1,125 fill-in-the-blanks, 1,125 one-word answer questions, 104 matching questions, 134 memory aids in mnemonics, 120 mind maps, 279 practical examples, and 518 key learning outcomes, this guide covers every corner of the syllabus. No guesswork, no gaps. Features that make this the ultimate CMA Part 2 resource. Full coverage of the IMA CMA Part 2 syllabus. Every LOS learning outcome statement explained with clarity. Questioning mind approach sharpens analytical skills and critical thinking, helping you tackle tricky exam scenarios. Diverse question formats. From true-false to one-word answers, matching quizzes to fill in the blanks, you'll master the material in multiple ways. 134 mnemonics and 120 mind maps. Boost memory retention and recall speed for exam day. 279 real-world examples. Learn the concepts the way CFOs, finance managers, and analysts apply them in practice. Integrated printable PDF. Study anywhere, on any device, with lifetime access and no restrictions. Complimentary support until you pass. Ask unlimited questions via WhatsApp or email and get expert guidance. Benefits you can expect. Exam day confidence. Walk into the exam hall knowing you've practiced every concept from every angle. Time efficiency. Learn smarter with structured study points and targeted practice. Higher retention. Mnemonics, mind maps, and practical scenarios make concepts stick. Real-world readiness. Not just for the exam, be ready to excel in your finance career. The Zain Academy Power Guarantee. We are so confident in the CMA Part 2 Study Guide 2026 that we give you the Power Guarantee. You pass the CMA Part 2 exam, or we keep supporting you until you do. Lifetime access means you can return anytime for a refresher. No hidden fees, no expiration, no limits. Why CMA candidates choose this guide? Because this isn't just a book, it's a commitment to your success. Thousands of candidates worldwide have trusted Zain Academy to pass their CMA exams. The mix of complete syllabus coverage, multiple practice formats, practical insights, and personal guidance is unmatched. If you've been struggling with other study materials, feeling overwhelmed, or doubting your preparation, this guide will restore your confidence, keep you motivated, and give you a clear roadmap to success. Don't gamble with your CMA journey. Secure your copy today and make your CMA Part 2 success inevitable.